Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of elegance and sophistication in home decor. If you're looking to elevate your interior design with refined touches, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for inspiring ideas that blend luxury with timeless style. Classic color palettes. First up, the key to creating an elegant space often lies in the color palette. Opt for soft neutrals like ivory, taupe, and gray. These tones exude a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. For a bolder touch, consider deep navy, emerald green, or charcoal, which add drama without overwhelming the space. Luxurious fabrics and textures. To take your home decor to the next level, focus on luxurious fabrics and textures. Velvet, silk, and satin introduce a sense of opulence, while adding warmth to the room. Don't forget to layer textures like plush rugs, soft throws, and sleek drapery for a rich, inviting feel. Statement furniture. A sophisticated home needs statement furniture that speaks to your style. Look for pieces with clean lines, high-quality materials, and attention to detail. An elegant, tufted sofa, a marble-top coffee table, or a sleek console with metallic accents can instantly elevate the look of any room. Elegant lighting. Lighting is another crucial aspect of sophisticated decor. Chandeliers, sconces, and floor lamps with a classic design add a sense of luxury to any space. Opt for warm, ambient lighting to create a cozy yet refined atmosphere, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Thoughtful accessories and art. The finishing touches make all the difference. Incorporate elegant accessories like crystal vases, sculptural decor, and sleek trays. Artwork is also key to sophistication. Choose pieces with a timeless aesthetic, or curate a gallery wall that complements your space. Symmetry and balance. When it comes to elegant decor, symmetry is your friend. Pair your furniture and decor items to create balance in the room. Matching table lamps, chairs, or artwork can bring a sense of order and refinement. And there you have it, simple yet powerful ways to create a home that feels both elegant and sophisticated. With the right combination of color, texture, and design elements, you can transform any space into a luxurious retreat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration.